Welcome, here I've got Google Pixel 6 and let me show you how to record slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard camera mode, so we have to change it by tapping on the video from the right. Here we are. Now we have to focus on this center settings bar. We are on normal video. Let's move to left to slow motion, and when we pick it we get access to speed of slow motion. We can pick 1 and 8, good for fast movements, or 1 and 4, good for sports. So let me stay, for example, on this now to show you how it works, and let me start recording. Now let's stop by tapping on shutter button again to see the video. Let's move to the right button that follows us straight to the gallery, and here we can play it by using the center button. As you can see, this is how slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.